Okay, we're gonna try this again. Alright, let's get I'm trying to see how I'm gonna look. Come on, add right flash. Come on.
Baby, won't you make me part of me? Early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is?
So you guys, I just got a package this morning. I'm ready to see what's in here. It's a box. It's a black box with an apple on it. Okay. Yes. So I guess I'm about to be a part of the Apple world. You guys, I'm a firm Android phone person. But now, hubby done got me an iPhone. Look at that. 12 Pro Max? What? That's what it is? You know, it don't say that on the box. I guess I'll see that when I open it. Okay. Let's get into it. Y'all, let's open up this box.
I got it from your work.
What? What? Y'all, look at this. Okay.
Let me see.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Wow, why you got that, Mommy?
Oh, it's the details. It's the details. You see how I just peel that back?
Yeah.
This is my first iPhone, y'all. First. I woke up to an iPhone. What? I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Gold. Flawless.
You're not gonna tell them.
Mommy.
I'm not. They see you, bruh. They see you take your glass off. It don't count no more. Y'all, I got all the emojis. How cool is that? We're trying to set up my phone with my iPad. Yeah, I have other Apple products. I just didn't have a phone. No one from what I just typed in. I want to keep that.
What are you talking about? Mine?
I don't want to change it.
You know the password from the other. No, you don't remember the password.
This is Mom.
You gotta change it so you remember, because you didn't remember the other passcode.
The passcode I just typed in.
No, man, that's the passcode to the iPad.
Mommy.
Why did see this? Why
But mine,
why this gotta be so complicated? Yay! I got it set up, you guys. After all that work, welcome to iPhone. Y'all, I'm about to text all the iPhone users. Doesn't pop up green. Let's see. All the iPhone users gonna get my message in green. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm about to text it to. I'm about to text it to Babe. Cancel. I bet he finna say something bad crazy. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, it's been delivered. Here we go. Let's see what Babe say back. This about to be funny. Come on, Babe. Let me tell my friends what I did. Put it in the same message. Here we go. Paste. Wait, number not available. Which number would you like? What? Here we go. Here we go. I sent it to myself. Come on, somebody. Everybody on the road, hand wrote me. What? We got a message. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Girl, my friends are a trip. She said I'm a traitor. Y'all. What up, babe?
Now you got clear 8 feet.
You know we on FaceTime. Y'all, he out here on the boat. Babe, say hey to the vlog.
Yeah. See? I'm out here trying to hold my hat.
Yeah, you better not lose that hat.
I ain't gonna lose. We just trying to open the boat up. He got some work done to it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they out there on the boat. My glass is just a crooked. Yeah, why is this child stuffing his face in these puff popcorn? They are good, but don't stuff your mouth. Don't stuff your mouth. Okay? Okay. Yummy. Is it good? Is it good? So guys, I'm working on the transformation. Got the base done. But let's keep going. We're not done yet. I'm currently here trying to apply these lashes, y'all. Look at these lashes. They so long. I did not know they was gonna be this long, but I had a lash glue on and I'm trying to watch a video and put them on. So y'all bear with me, but we're gonna see in a few seconds if you girl gonna get these lashes on or not. Y'all, like 2 seconds later, I got one on, I think. Y'all, is it on right? Let me close my eyes so y'all can see. Is it on right? Y'all, what? I don't know, y'all. But it look like it's on. I don't know. I'm gonna try to put on the other pair. Oh, we're gonna see. Y'all, I did not put enough glue like right here, and it's lifting up. Like, how do you go back and add some more glue? I'm gonna have to take the whole thing off, ain't I? And I don't have no foundation, y'all. I just got on some concealer that I blended in, so I gotta actually finish this part, but don't think my look done. I just want to, I'm gonna have to take the whole thing off. Cause it ain't enough glue right there. Y'all. So y'all, the video I'm watching told me I should have put mascara on. So I'm about to put on some mascara first and then put this lash back on. I already got the glue kind of like getting tacky. And I'm using actual lash glue. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using. So you guys, I think I got it back on. Does it look like before? I don't know. But anyways, I'm using this Duo. Y'all can't see, but it says Duo. And I think I got it on right. I feel like I feel it like over here. Oh yeah. I don't know. I'm finna try putting the other one though. Honestly, y'all, I think I put like this lash supposed to be over here. Because don't they like get longer at the man, I dropped it. I was like, don't they get longer at the end? Oh, y'all don't put it on back, but I'm not gonna take it off, so now my back, they gonna just have to be inside out. And this is like longer, but I think it's supposed to be on this side. Oh well, y'all, we're gonna have to let it run with it today because I think I got it on good. And I'm not about to take it off. So let me just put on this other one. We're gonna see how they look when I got both on. OMG, y'all, like I am struggling to the fullest. Why this eye always gotta be harder than the other eye? But this thing is not. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm struggling. Oh, this one is not the same. Y'all see? Oh my goodness. I'm getting lash glue everywhere. This probably wasn't a good idea. But y'all, See, the video said the middle gonna automatically stick. The middle is not automatically sticking. Look at this. Look at this. Do y'all see that? Look. Look at this. Look. The whole middle piece of the lash is not there. It won't even stick to my eye. Okay, at this point, I'm starting over. Get tacky. I maybe should have finished like my makeup first. I ain't got no foundation. This is just concealer. It's not really even blended in right, but I was just too excited to see if I was gonna get these lashes on. But I think I did good on this one. I'm wet. Let me get 7. Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Kisses, no, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?